You guys, there's a color change conspiracy. They're trying to convince us that there's a newfangled way to change colors, and I'm here to tell you it is the exact same color change. It's just it takes more steps. First, the old way. You're going to insert your hook and pull up a loop without finishing this stitch. Then you take your new color and pull it through to finish the stitch, which creates the top of the next one in your new color. And then you can continue on with your new color. All right? This is the color change that we've been taught for years. The newfangled color change, you will work your last stitch of the last color completely all the way through, then pull up this loop, insert your hook through this horizontal post and this vertical post, then grab your new yarn and pull it through. Continuing on with your new yarn, right? And then the fancy part is that you get to pull this piece out and it doesn't come out. Isn't that amazing? Wow. But guys, this is the same color change that we just did before with a bunch of extra steps. You see, when you finish this stitch, you pull this working yarn through this top loop of the next stitch and what becomes the left loop of the stitch right here. So by sticking your hook through these two loops, all you're doing is taking more time to pull it through where we've always pulled it through. It's the same color change. Thanks for watching a Hook by Kati tutorial video. Please click subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And remember to go to hookbykati.com for more patterns, tutorials, and guides to help you improve your art.